In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import photos to Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to bring an image into the app, so you can start editing right away. First, open Affinity Photo and make sure you're looking at the main workspace. You don't need to create a new document for this. We're going to open the image directly. This keeps everything simple and ensures the photo comes in at its original size and resolution, which is ideal for accurate editing. Next, head to the top menu bar and click File. On Windows, you'll find it in the application window at the top left. On macOS, it's in the System menu bar across the very top of your screen. The File menu is your hub for bringing content in and out of Affinity Photo, and it's the most consistent way to start an editing session. From that menu, choose Open. This tells Affinity Photo you want to load an existing image as a new document. Selecting Open will bring up your system's file browser so you can point the app to the exact photo you want to work with. In the file browser, navigate to the folder that contains your image. Click the photo you want, then select Open. If you don't immediately see your file, make sure the file type filter is set to show all supported types. Affinity Photo supports common formats like JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and many camera RAW files. If you select a RAW file, it will first open in the Develop persona so you can adjust exposure and color before moving on to detailed edits. You can also select multiple images at once if you'd like each to open in its own tab. Use Shift for arrange or Ctrl+CMD for individual selections. After you confirm, the photo will load as a new document, visible on the canvas with its own tab at the top. You're now ready to edit. That's all there is to importing. Clean, consistent, and fast.